Look here, our Firefighter birthday cake. I know it's a big thing for kids' birthday, so here it's a really nice way to create an amazing cake for your kids. Just a regular sponge, there you go, with beautiful fire color inside. And I'm going to build my cake with watercolor buttercream to have something really neat. Once you have a really smooth top like that, you're going to create a hole. Perfect. And now that your cake is liquid proof, let's pour some blue lemonade to create water inside the cake. Your fondant on the top. So my fondant is obviously fire truck color. Beautiful. And I'm gonna stick the wheel of my truck on the side. Take some pictures. Now here we have my twins there. It's their birthday and they wish to have a firefighter truck. So they're gonna be the star of the cake. Now we're gonna put the lights. So let's start like that. I'm going to turn on the first light and plug it to my cake. Plug inside the cake. I'm gonna add a little bumper and the top light of my cake. You can already hear the cake and have an effect of surprise. Let's put the fire here. There you go. There's fire paper. 911, there's a fire! Guys, the fire is out. Now we just have to drink the rest of the water.